What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, your boy, Vin Giggs. Just want to welcome you to the man cave, the garage. If you notice behind me, I've got my crusty old 60-something Mustang. We got the Mustang here. We got Miller behind the camera. What's up, Miller? The lights are a little much with the lights, but we're gonna do it. Over here, you see I got the Ford GT. We got that car, and I'm the guy that has all the GT40s. For any of you just tuning in, please like and subscribe. I'm Vinny GT40. I just picked this guy back up. This is the car that started it all. That's the car that's gonna leak oil down on this one. We got Dan from Downforce's car. We got the Porsche. I'm just here having a good time. I'm just trying to give back to the community. I love doing this, guys, so thank you for coming out and supporting the channel. I wanna show you, we just got some wheels. Check these out. And these wheels, extra round. Some people have some kind of round wheels, but I got extra round wheels. We do this, you know, I'm an investor, I do a lot of business things, but my business today is ordering round wheels. Got this cardboard. Oh, gotta recycle this, gotta be good for the environment. All right, look at these. Oh God, they're heavy. Oh, this can't be good. Look at this, Forge line wheels. If you notice the round on this is exceptional. These are gonna go on the green Camaro. It's like a 70-something. It's got the full bumper that goes across. It's not one of those separate bumper cars, but this is some Forge line wheels that are gonna go on that. Super cool, extra round, which relates to horsepower and better times going down the driveway. All right, so let's box these back up. You guys didn't see that, top secret. All right, now, I don't know what else we should talk about. There's where my office is. That's where I make all the money. I do everything, and that's my big fan. That's my biggest fan, actually. You guys thought you were my fan. That's my biggest fan. All right, so I'm not gonna go on the Peloton right now. I need to go on the Peloton, and I'm just, God, it's warm in here, it's warm. All right, shout out to my friend Brad DeBerti. We gotta have everybody out here, Autotopia LA. Thank you for coming out, and big shout out to my detailer, Ian. He's floating around somewhere. I don't know where he is, he's crazy. He comes in, he does his thing, he leaves whenever he wants. Maybe he's in the bathroom. He does a really great job. Thanks for tuning into the channel, guys. It's been a great video, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You stole your kid's tablet?
Yeah. Are you ready to shoot this video or what? Where did that come from?
Up. Up.
All right, so we got Ian here, the detailing, ceramic coating, polish up your ride stuff extraordinaire. There's thunder. So I look like I have gel in my hair because I literally went through a monsoon.
Look good, buddy.
Yeah, I'm sure you've seen some clicks. What is it, alter ego? Ian Giggs? But what we're gonna do today is we're gonna unbox the 71 Camaro Forge line wheels. These are custom built. The car will now start to make more sense color-wise.
Yes.
With the
That'd be
exterior
awesome.
of the green and the custom interior of the brown. Basically what happened was, here's the quick story. I gave a picture of these wheels to the builder, car builder, and I said, you guys do whatever you want on the interior. And so now this will make sense.
Can't wait.
Well, that didn't
drum
really work
roll.
too well. All right, here we go. Let's see if they turned out as good as we think they did, because we literally have not opened these wheels yet.
Well, Forge line's awesome. So
To the honors, buddy.
Oh boy. Ready?
Ready, set. Oh, well, that's in.
You.
that's kinda
Plastic wrapper.
Yeah, why'd you gotta pack these so good, Forge line?
Why are you doing that? It's like a kid at Christmas.
Like a kid in a candy store who likes jelly beans. I don't know why I said that, but
Everybody loves jelly beans.
we could speed up this. This will be like. Oh, dude.
Oh, hindsight.
That is beautiful. What's that say?
that.
Forge
Forge line. Forge Lindy. It must be French or something.
I've never seen a wheel.
This is sick. This texture is beautiful.
So on their website, this particular wheel, I forget exactly which one because they have a 5-spoke version, a 6-spoke version. We'll show you on there, but I saw the picture of this wheel and I was like, I gotta have those for the Camaro. And I was like, it's gonna be a little bit like outside the box. Go with the green car. I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work, but dude, in person, I think these are gonna be
Good Pro Tour, good muscle look.
money. Oh my God, hold on a second. Look at that wheel with that car.
Oh, come on.
Just
Oh,
saying.
man. Buddy.
Dude.
Forge line, we need another set.
Yeah. Hold on a second. I'm just having fun here. Now, granted, these are built, wait, 1, 2, 3,
It's a 5 lug.
5.
Oh boy.
But this gets interesting. So anyway, one can dream. But hey, welcome to our custom one-off 3-piece Forge Line wheels. These are badass.
Dude, good call.
Good, yeah, thanks Forge Line. It wasn't really my idea per se, it was just I just saw the wheel and loved it. So 71 Camaro, here we come. And Ian, today, the reason we're doing this is number one, to unveil the wheel. Number two,
yes, sir.
We're gonna have you show us how awesome you are, what you do, and put some ceramic on this puppy.
Yes, I don't know that I'm awesome, but I can put ceramic on this puppy. What we're gonna do today is we're just gonna wind up actually ceramic coating the face, because you don't want to ceramic coat a wheel that is not mounted and balanced.
Right.
If you do that, then modern tape weights will not adhere to the wheel properly. We'll coat the faces, get them mounted and balanced, then I'll coat the rears, and we'll have all the brake dust protection you could ever dream of.
By the way, you did suggest let's get rubber on these, let's get them on the car, and then we'll get them balanced and all that stuff. And I said, you know what, this would be great for a good video. So
absolutely.
For these purposes, this isn't normally the process you would do, but
this is the cleanest that they're ever going to be.
Exactly.
So I'll just decontaminate and we can apply. It's going to be beautiful.
No brake dust.
None.
You know what's funny though about these wheels? How are you gonna see brake dust on this? It's gonna be tough.
So you won't know if I coated them or not.
We will when we spray on it. Blow the dust off.
Literally.
No, it'll keep all this clean though. This is gonna be awesome. So let's let them get to work and show you how it comes out. All right, so I'm Ian from Ace Detail, and I like to crack a lot of witty jokes, and this is how we're gonna do this. And hold on, I gotta check, make sure my hair is okay, my spike. Here we go. Hold on a sec. Hold on. I gotta call Vinny. Hey, there's a little imperfection in the fucking crack of this little. I can't. You know what? You won't be able to see it ever. But do you want me to fix it? Okay. So now we're gonna get back to wiping down the wheel. Yeah. You know what? These would look good on. Hey, can we call Forge Line? Yeah, let's call Forge Line. Okay, now this is Vinny. Hey, this is how you do a wheel, okay? You take out your phone, you text Ian, and you say, bro, can you come over and paint, correct, and ceramic coat my car? Done, job done.
Dun, 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 dun. Good job, buddy.
We have no fun. By the way, and all joking aside, he's that good. He called, like he's been working on this car the last few days, and he called me like 5 times yesterday and was like, dude, there's this scratch and you'll never see it, but how deep do you want me to go? Do you want me to take do you want me to grind down your
can't
paint
say
to
that
bare
while I'm
metal?
putting these on.
But no, that's the amount of care he puts into this stuff. So this is why we're doing this, because I really wanted him to show you what goes into this. No, don't touch me.
No. I'm gonna fix that. There you go.
Oh yeah. Back to Vin gig.
You're good. As we said before, it's a brand new wheel. I like to go over them with an isopropyl water combination. This is going to remove any grease, any surface contaminants that are on the wheel. So we'll do that to prep. I think my label's coming off. So do that to prep the wheel, and then we'll apply the resilient ceramic coating. It's a 5-year coating. It's going to withstand any heat that the wheels and brakes will come its way. And it's also self-healing. So if we get any sort of minor abrasions on here, we can just take.
Or if you get really nasty comments on your thread. Self-healing, right?
Self-healing.
Yeah.
It's nurturing.
It's hard to deal with those.
It'll
sometimes.
hold you through a rainy night.
Perfect. All right.
All right, so let's get to it. Let's just hit this with some isopropyl.
Dude, can we just leave it wet like that? Oh my gosh, look how much, they just came to life.
Look at that. All right, that's it.
Dude,
good job.
Bronze. Look at that bronze. Look how deep the color. So the funny thing is we're inside, right? So it's, I mean, they look incredible, but this just showed us what it's gonna look like outside. That's dude, we gotta get a set of it. Forge Line, this is a project car. We need you, Forge Line, because I want those exact wheels with a center lock for that car.
And then a third set for this car. You get a wheel, you get a wheel, you get a wheel. All right, so.
When Forge Line finds out what that Mustang is, man, they might be able to.
All right, so I'm just gonna give this a good wipe down. You know how to wipe stuff down. Forge Line.
Oh my gosh, that's a good.
Forge Line! I believe we are decontaminated.
That's awesome.
So let's get rid of this, put this over on the box.
And the good thing is, because these are brand new wheels, the fact that you can just decontaminate them and then coat them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would have to more than likely go through a couple different stages of foam,
Right.
some iron remover, because you brake dust and everything would embed in the wheel, and you really want to extract all that and get a clean surface for the ceramic to stick to. But these are fresh off the press, so they're going to be a lot easier to work with.
So cool.
Costs more to ceramic coat fresh wheels, but
Because it's so much easier.
and now this product is the Croftgate Resilience that I use. Every one of these cars has this product on it.
The guys from HD Detailing swear by that stuff.
It is the
And
best
I know
stuff.
nothing about it, but I remember we were over there doing this, and he just wouldn't stop talking about it.
I hooked Brock up. That's my dude. So you're going to just gently apply. Now it's going to give a little bit of a sheen right now, but it will have a satin finish when it's completed.
How long does it take to dry?
To cure, you're going to want to let this sit overnight, but it's dry to the touch within an hour or so. Actually, almost immediately, but it can be handled in about an hour. All right, so first application is on. From here, you just want to spread the ceramic. Make sure you got everything covered. And this is just a rough spreading here. It doesn't have to be too crazy. You just want to spread it out and even it out a little bit. And then from there, we go to a clean rag. On the cars, I like to use a much more plush microfiber. On the wheels, though, you're not going to hurt anything with just a regular old microfiber that you'd find your average detailer's box. And as you notice, now that I'm polishing it off, it doesn't really change the finish of the wheel. It just gives it a little bit more depth
Yeah, you can see
and
the
difference.
difference. Yeah, I mean, in the good thing, I mean, you cut it right there, so you can definitely tell, probably more in person than
You can kind of
you
tell
can
a
see
lot.
it right, a lot of that. Oh man, yeah, it's like
It
super
riches,
rich.
yeah. Now we will apply a little bit to the spokes, give you guys a look at that, and then I will go ahead and coat the rest of the wheels. This ceramic is fantastic because it doesn't have the short application time that a lot of ceramics have. I can apply this to the majority of the wheel, whereas other ceramics you have to act very fast.
Really,
And
to wipe off.
Yep.
Got it.
And I'm gonna wind up getting ceramic back on the lip of the wheel again, but that's not gonna mess anything up. And we go to our spread rag, fold it up nice and neat. Wait till it kind of shows some droplets. I don't know if you can zoom in here, you get a little bit of the droplet that's on there. That's how I know it's ready to be wiped off.
Oh yeah, interesting.
So then, like we did before, just a nice spread here, even everything out.
Not to get all scientific, but
Yep.
does this just adhere to the surface,
It
or
is
does it
a-
actually get sucked up into?
It's a chemical bond.
Okay.
So what happens is the surface of your clear coat, this is obviously a powder coated surface, it's porous. So what's gonna happen is this is going to fill those pores and it's going to anchor itself to the surface chemically. And from there, it equals MC squared. And then from there is when you get your hydrophobic properties because it minimizes all surface tension.
Yep.
So it's creating a really nicely leveled off, sealed, even surface. So when there's no texture, because the ceramic is going to fill in.
That makes a lot more sense because there's nothing like a freshly ceramic coated car.
Oh my
running your hand
goodness.
across it. Like, it's one thing to clean it, it's one thing to wax a car, but it's another thing to have Ian paint correct and then ceramic coat. I've always wondered how it got so smooth because I thought it was just like a clear coat that went over, but
It is a chemical bond. It fills in all the pores and makes it so you have no surface tension. That's why water runs right off because it doesn't have anything to bite. It doesn't have traction. So
every
to say.
car you've done, which I'm trying to think of the one I did recently. I think it was this guy. I was driving it in the rain.
This was the last car, but you did drive this in the rain.
I was driving this in the rain because I got hit by a rainstorm.
Yep.
And I was coming home and I didn't even use my windshield wipers.
Flies right off. Well, the
literally
aerodynamics of the car helps.
Yeah, well, I mean, look, before you did that car, I got stuck in a rainstorm. Couldn't see jack.
Oh, no way.
Yep. So,
There you go.
just saying.
So that's what the finished product is going to look like.
You can really see the difference, especially on
The lip.
the lip. Yeah,
It kind of enriched the color.
it did. It enriched the color. And you know what? That doesn't take that long to do, which is good because it's a new wheel, obviously.
Yep.
Right? But I mean, I could imagine the amount of work you would have to, the amount of prep is really where most of your time is spent.
Same
on
with the
wheels.
correction of the cars. The application of the ceramic is not the time consumer. It's prepping the surface so that the ceramic can go on.
Well, every time he comes over to do a car, it's 2 days, right? And it always comes to like noon or 1 or 2 o'clock on the second day.
Yeah.
And you're still correcting the car.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, how the heck is he gonna get this done in the next couple hours?
Before midnight.
Literally. Sometimes your corrections, you're just so meticulous about your corrections.
Yeah.
Your correction takes that long. But then by the time you start ceramic, I'm like, dude, he's done. It's been like an hour.
Yeah, no, it's about an hour procedure to ceramic coat an
entire
entire car.
car. Yeah.
And if I have to ceramic coat wheels
Yep.
on a car
Yep.
that I'm doing, I have to schedule a whole second day so that I can have at least a half a day to remove the wheels, decontaminate, apply the ceramic, reinstall the wheels. So this takes a half a day. So it's
really,
a cool process though.
So if you don't live close to here and you can't use Ian for any reason because you don't want to ship your car because you're a cheap bastard. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So I think if you're picking out someone that's going to do something like this for
Yeah.
you, it's all about the prep.
Everything, all about prep.
How meticulous are they with the prep?
Yep, if you don't properly decontaminate, the ceramic won't have anything to stick to.
Very informative. I
Thank you.
feel much more knowledgeable.
I've enhanced you. It's Vin 2.0.
I'm smartest. All I could think about for the last like 30 seconds is how I can get 2 more sets for these cars of that.
You flew an airplane?
That wheel. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. Dude, that wheel on these cars would be insane. Sorry, I went back to it.
That could be your signature thing though on all the cars.
I'm telling you, Forge line.
Yeah, but
Right
this
in fact,
specific could be the Vinny G edition
dude,
wheel.
That would be awesome. Put a little like
Little
Vinjig's
signature
logo somewhere and like
Embossed.
yeah, or even like cut into like laser cut
Yep.
into it.
Yeah, embossed.
But
Yeah,
no,
ooh.
literally, those are custom 3-piece forge lines that they built for me for that build. Those are custom forge line center knockoffs, which they do that too. This is now the forge line pitch. These aren't these? Oh no, these are American Racing. My other set for this before was also forge line.
Okay.
Oh, I'm having forge lines built right now for the Daytona Coupe
Ooh boy.
because we were gonna build that car for SEMA.
Spoiler.
Oh yeah, wait till you see that motor, the blacked out.
Oh yeah.
We'll bleep that out.
Yeah. Yeah, forge line, let's do some stuff. I realize I look like Iron Man. This was just a little bit
Yeah.
blue light.
Oh, dude, your words are gonna be all upside down.
Oh man, hopefully you guys can read, might have to lay.
Ah, my words are gonna be sideways.
Oh,
Oh, noob.
All right, well guys, thank you so much for hanging out and watching and learning something new today alongside us. Miller and I, he knows everything already, so. But yeah, thanks for coming along. It sounds like we're gonna get some forge line wheels for some cars. I'm just gonna keep saying it, keep putting it out there.
If you think it, it will happen.
Exactly, manifest, isn't that
Manifest.
the word? Yeah, all right, guys, thanks. See you next time.